Hello guys, this is Gabby and today I will show you how an organized girl gamer makes her tools look nice. Here on this table I present you all of the tools that I have used to do my beautiful computer build and all of the builds in this room that I have created with my own hands. Okay, let's start. Here in this beautiful plastic box you can notice all of my screws in each one of them in different section according to their size. Here, some of them are even in different packages. Here I have some extra packages so I can put them in and I wouldn't lose anything. Here I have a lift from... Here I have little bit syringe of thermal paste. I think there is little bit left inside that I will use on my next build, hopefully. Here you can notice some more little screws, my Noctua sound dampers for the fan, because instead of screwing them you prefer to use sound dampers. Very beautiful organized girl, right? Everything is on its place. Here some little bit extra Corsair switches that I keep here just for sure. I have a little bit extra Corsair switches here that I forgot to show you last time. I'll show them to you now. Here little bit extra gaming switches, because when you press them wildly every time, you gotta replace them sometime. Look, they're vacuumized and nicely packed, but because sadly there is no space for them here, I put them there. Here's some extra switches that I don't use. Your small silica gel packages that keeps your screws very nicely non-moisturized, because you don't want moisturizer. You don't want moisture within your screws. Silica gel is very important. I have one big pack of silica gel also somewhere behind me that I used for one of my phones, but I can't find it exactly now. It's okay. Some adapters. You can see an organized person should have this box for sure. This is some copper plate. You use it to test stuff on it. There is some little tube, more screws in vacuum packages. Everything very nicely organized. Here is my Velcro straps, Republic of Gamers, guys. ROG. You can use them as a bracelet also. I really like to have accessories from ROG. My Velcro straps, very nice bracelet from my Velcro straps. Here one more bracelet. You can put it here. You will never lose them. Some girls wear Pandora, but few girls wear ROG Velcro straps on their hands. Oh yeah. Power, respect. Anyway, now we go further to my beautiful, extremely majestic toolboxes, full with colorful, glittery screwdrivers. The favorite one is the purple one. I really love the purple one. You can see this metallic purple color, so beautiful. I don't know. I think the dream of every guy is to have tools like this. And here is your magnifying glass that sees even the small details. Oh, extremely clear image. I can see everything on these Velcro straps, even the small pores. Very nice magnifying glass. Beautiful screws, different sizes. Very nice. I am sure you're jealous of me already because you don't have this box. You can buy it from PowerFix. I don't know where you will find it because I don't know myself where I found it. Here is my PowerFix screwdriver set for even more finer job. You can see here you already have a good screwdriver that you can handle good. Very nice. You can choose of different sizes and different millimeters. This one here needs to be in order, bro. Like this. Okay, and you just take them out. They're with magnets here. Take them out and you put them here and you Just turn like this. You got the idea, right? And here you have little bit extension, so it will become longer. Beauty. I know you're jealous, guys. If you're good, guys, I can do giveaway one day. But I don't know if I want to give these instruments to somebody. But one day, who knows? You may deserve it, guys. I'll present them here nice so they can stare. And here is the star of the set. You know, I haven't heard for this brand before. Oh, these Velcro straps everywhere, Velcro straps everywhere. On my hair, on my clothes, Velcro straps. Black+Decker, an home brand for amateurs who likes to do stuff in their house. Screwing stuff everywhere with 2 years of warranty. Black+Decker has different kind of stuff, including this screwdriver, electrical screwdriver. I have their glue gun and multiple, like you can saw that air compressor. My air compressor was also Black+Decker. I really like this brand. It's on very good prices, affordable, and it does the job perfectly. Like I managed to do I did a tear down of my iPhone just by using Black+Decker tools, which helped me very much. And I use their heat gun, and I will use this heat gun when I do my first hard tubing. I have never done hard tubing till now, so so you will like it very much. Now let's see. This is the box, metal box. About the screwdriver, 180 RPM maximum speed, LED, of course. There should be LED somewhere. Lithium 3.6 voltage battery. It can be used for screwing different stuff around your house, not only screwing screws on your computer. I hope you're having fun, guys, as much as me. It's so funny. I love my tools. Now let's take it out. I don't know why I put this paper here all the time. It's so annoying. Metal box, protection to the maximum. So even if you throw it on the floor, nothing will happen. Will you marry me? And this is my Black+Decker pistol number 2. I'll show you the light now because it's very cool. Here you can notice here you can open it and you can notice the different screws. You take one of them and you put it here nicely, and then you close here. Okay, this is my beautiful electric screwdriver. You see the sound is not extremely loud. Then if you're finished with this, you just put it back here and you close it. If you catch it on sale like me, I catch it for around like 15 euro. You will be very lucky. Here's your instruction booklet. And pretty much that's it. What kind of tools are you guys using? Are you using electrical screwdriver or are you using manual ones? Which one do you prefer? Do you have cool Velcro stripes like me that you can use as a bracelet? Be sure to put everything in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and smile. Thank you very much for watching this video. Boom!